Okay. Hey everyone, how are you guys? Jonathan here as usual. In today's video I'm going to explain, from my point of view and my experience of course, why your presets don't work as they should, or why they don't work at all. But first I'm talking about Lightroom presets, if it wasn't obvious. That said, you can find a huge quantity of presets online, both for sale or free. You can create your own presets too, and that's what I actually recommend. I spent a lot of times, months, years, I don't know actually, trying to create the perfect preset for my pictures to get that distinctive look, you know, and I'm not sure I got it already, but I'm on my way. And what I learned is that you just can't use one preset for all your pictures, but there are some exceptions. For example, if you always shoot the same kind of things with the same focal length or similar light conditions, you actually may get your result sticking to one preset. And right now I'm using a preset that sets kind of a baseline for my work, making the colors look similar and giving that dark green tone in the shadows that I really like. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. The thing is that heavy presets, the ones that creators sell with the promise of making a severely underexposed picture pop out of nowhere like crazy. And as usual, I'm not talking about the Sony Alpha gang. So those heavy presets work one time out of 100 or 1000 or 1 million. Actually, I think that it's 1 million. And that's because they are heavy and the edits inside are very strong and they impact the whole image in all its aspects. Besides that, the most important thing that nobody talks about, and that is the point of the video actually, and that will make your style, your editing style change forever, is color profiles. You know, with the right color profile, part of the editing is already done and you can start creating the basis for your own style. You give the image a certain look without doing anything else, but of course you have to edit the image after using the color profile, you know. When I discovered the power of color profiles, I rushed to get all kind of film emulation color profiles online, and sometimes I got lucky because they were so good. So, you know, there are lots of color profiles that are free online and some that you pay for them, but actually the ones that are already in Lightroom are not that bad. I use them in the past quite a lot. In my opinion, starting to edit a picture with a certain color profile is a perfect way to, you know, edit your pictures and give them like different looks while keeping a unique look on the baseline, you know. And of course we're talking about style, so to define your style, your personal style, while editing the picture and fixing what has to be fixed. So you'll always have a certain kind of uniformity in your body of work, because deep down some inner traits of your pictures will look similar. That's why you'll find out soon, if you didn't yet, that presets are not always worth it, and only presets with very minimal changes, very minimal edits will work on most of your pictures. So it's better to create your own presets, possibly related to a certain color profile, to keep a unique style, the unique style I was talking about before, or use other people's presets as a starting point and not do it all with a one-click thing, because it's just not working. So what do you think of presets and of color profiles? Did you already discover them, these unknown, strange, mysterious color profiles? Let me know in the comments, guys, and see you in the next video.